Hello everybody, come on in. Hello people, it's bag time with a little bit of post. There's a lot of post by the look of it. Okay, excuse me. Let's see what I got first. Right, this is from Temu. It's a solar panel isolator, and I've got it to go up on my distribution panel. I'll give you a shot of that one up here somewhere. Take the protective. Now that's the first time I've opened it to look inside. I mean, Phillips screwdriver, thin one. Let's have a look. I'm only opening this bag up because the things in it, sorry, because I haven't got very many to do with this bag. It come in with other stuff for friends from Temu, and so I thought I'd do a impromptu post bag. Okay, so we got 2 screws holding the cover, and that lifts up nicely. Thank you, son, for giving me a bit more light. Now then, it's pre-wired. Oops daisy, I'm hooked. I've been fishing. As I'm working off the bench, I don't bother with my microphone. I got a big enough gob anyway. Yeah. So there's the DC breaker. It is upside down. It is an SPB1-63Z. That's the model number, and it's I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Manufacturing name is EKCCBTLL. If you could pronounce that, you're a better man than I, Gungudin. DC capacity 500 volts. Well, I don't believe that, but I think I'm safe at 50 volts. And I presume the 63 means 63 amps current. So the 4 amps I get out of all the solar arrays, solar panels, should be fine. Excuse me. let's see if I can take it out. Because I'm going to have to take these cables out anyway, because I'm connecting these on the inside of the lab with all the cables coming in from the solar panels. Because I'm going to have a bus bar up there to take all the solar panels, because they're coming through one hole just to the right of the, when you come into the door, because that's where the control panel is. And I think that having a bus bar there can also mean I can check each individual solar panel, and any faulty ones, you know, not working, low output, that sort of thing, I can, if they're low output, I can repurpose them to say like the 12 volt system, or if they're not working, I can just leave them disconnected. Okay, there's the black one. Well, you get quite a bit of cable on the out. I mean, it's not sort of like tucked right up here, which is good. Oh, hang on. Information on here is the other way around. I'm reading everything upside down today. Hang on. I have a little toy here somewhere. Okay, it must be the next one down. Oh, here it is. It was in front of me all the time. Okay, let's have a look. Haha, I had it the right way up first time. So let's see what this says. Manufactured in 2014. 4mm. Go down to 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees C, right up to plus 90 degrees C. DC 1500 volts. I don't know about that, but that's it. So I'm assuming all the others are the same. So let's continue getting this out. I will take the breaker out to see if there's any markings on the side that can tell us exactly what this breaker is capable of. Because I haven't got current on the front, only C63, I'm assuming that is 63 amps. I won't be pushing any more than requiring, sorry, 30-ish amps. I think the only thing that, pardon me, that takes 40 amps is the electric shower, which even on low setting for me, that's a bit toasty. Yes, I got sensitive skin. No, it's just me, the way I perceive temperature. Right, so this is on a DIN rail by the look of it. What do these do? that one. I do it, yeah. See if this will do it. There we go. Ah, yes. It's got a little bit of din rail in the bottom. Make your eyes go funny. Excuse me. Okay, is there anything else on here? No, there's only sort of like an embossed circuit drawing showing you how it triggers and what have you. I can't find any other markings, no. Right, so we'll take that as read as 30 amps, 40 tops, which would be fine for me. Right, push this back. Do we have to? Right, it's not one of the English type where you can just push it down, it clicks into place. Right, that's back in. Right, I'll leave the cables out because, as I said, I won't be having any ends on, but I shall keep them in case I've got to replace the cable on the solar panel output, and then I can just click fresh cabling into them. Right, people, that is that one, circuit breaker. Right, what's in the bag next, Raymond? Let's have a look. Voila. Oh, before I do that, the circuit breaker came, what's that? Yeah, the circuit breaker came with some more MC4, I think these are called. Are they? Oh, nothing on, oh, hang on. Do not disconnect under load. No, I don't know what that is. The red one there, yeah. There they are. As I said, I think these are MC4s. You also get a tool so that when you connect these together, oops, daisy. Oh, I take it as a negative and a positive. Oh no, that's right. Okay, so let's try it again. Ah, got to push it up over the O-ring. There's the connections. Male and female. This one's the same. Right, now to take these apart, they've also provided you with a tool. This end is for doing up the clamp on the cable securely, and the shoe piece at this end is, I found out the other day, to go down, whoops, the slotted area of the connector, like that. And what that does is it brings the tongues in, and then you can pull them apart, just like that, as Tommy would say. So that's those. You get a roll of tape, 5 meters, 18mm PVC tape. Excuse me. Did I do that right? Yeah. Okay. And also, if you want to fix this to a wall, there are 2 mounting holes, or you can have 4. Knock the others out. And they provide you with the screws and the raw plugs, which is really, really good. Because normally I've had stuff similar to this, not for solar panels, but for when I've been doing grid voltage work. That's 230 volts AC over here. And I've only ever got the circuit breaker, and I'd have to buy the box to put it in separately. But usually the box costs more than the breaker, and yet the breaker's the more sophisticated in design. Right, so that's that one. And the last one. Okay. Now this is a fan. See, I have got fans. I've got one upstairs as well. And one by my bed. They haven't asked for an autograph yet. Okay. Oh, by the way, I meant to ask on the first video I did, do you like my intro? I think it's quite nifty. That's what we get here. Specifications, functional media, advocatus. I think I said that right, thanks first. Oh, English as well. These are 5-volt fans, rated power 1.1 watts, speed 2,300 RPM, plus or minus 10%, power cord length 1.1 meters, operation, insert USB connector into USB port, press the switch button on the back, and the fan to turn up of the fan to turn off, on and off. Press the fan case to adjust tilt angle. Alright. Okay, let's have a look, see. They didn't say take it out of the bag. Do you think they mean it to operate in the bag? Raymond, you're being stupid. I know I am. Right. As I said, I got one in the front room by my computer. I've got one in the bedroom, and this one's going to go here in the lab. Comes with quite a long cable actually, which surprises me. And I'll get my brick in a minute and show you it working. Oh, hang on. No, that's not set on 24. I'll leave that alone. Okay. Yeah. I'll get my brick. That'll do the job. The construction is quite good. I mean, you tilt it however you want. And the beauty with this base design is you can have it that way and it ain't going nowhere, no matter what angle you put it at. Even if you put it over that way, it still stays upright. You know, not like some fans are heavy, top heavy, and then you end up in clunk because you pushed it too far. Right, let's get the hang on, show you where the switch is. And let's get the power brick. Excuse me one moment. Alright. Tell you what, this is gorgeous, this is. Okay, right, here you are. That's what you've got to use the bag for. It's quite powerful. I mean, I got mine just over a metre away and I can feel the breeze even on a really hot day. It's nice and cool. As I said, I had got this from Temu. It was something like $3.99, something like that. And if I ordered £15 worth of stuff, I got the postage for free. But no, wait a minute. No, I didn't get these off Temu. I got this off eBay. That's right. And it was buy two get one free. So I did. I got one free, but I bought four. I should have effectively had two extra, shouldn't I? No, I'm not done. For the price I paid, I ain't bothered. Doesn't bother me to that extent. And it's got rubber pads on the bottom. So if you put it on a glass surface, like a glass coffee table, and move it about, it's not going to scratch the glass. Yes, I'm very chuffed with this. It is really good, really does the job. Well worth the money. Now, if somebody had shown me this first and I'd tried it, I would have said £5 each, dead easy. No problem at all. To include postage, because they're as light as a feather. Anyway, people, can I? Oh, no, that I'm confused. I'll wait till I'm doing the battery on that one. Right, so I've had these for ages. These ones. Ah, there they are. That's just an oddity. Yep, that's just an oddity. This was my first go at a solar garden light. Trying to use 18650 cells. It didn't work out. I've since found something better. No, I mean found something better. I only had, I think it was 10 of these made. So, but I'm keeping them because I can still connect LEDs in a circle when I need sort of like a bit of a spotlight. So I can use that. Okay. Yep, these are the ones. Now these, I'll give you a close-up. And that's the reverse. Excuse me. Now because garden lights don't, the electronics goes daft and doesn't produce much light, I came up with an idea of a jewel thief, and with a rechargeable battery during the day, the solar panel, like normal, charges the solar cell up, and unfortunately I haven't got one built that I can lay my hands on straight away. There are some about, but that's why the box, bag and post. I put the office and I put the lab upstairs into boxes and bags and just brought them down and stuck them on shelves, and that's why I've got this once a week box, bag, post video going up on a regular basis to find all this different stuff. Now these have a double purpose. On the basic purpose, where you put the link in and a diode, it's colour changing LEDs. If you leave the link and the diode out, then you've got the output of the jewel thief. It does work. I've had one working for freaking ages, but that was for a friend of mine who liked when they visited. So if I can, I'll get them to take a photo and I'll stick it up here somewhere. As I said, I like them that much. I've got a few of them now. Not now, but later on, I will be doing. I don't think you'd call it a competition. No. Yeah, I will send anybody 2 boards. No, 4 boards. But this isn't for now. This is for the future. 4 boards. I'll pay the postage. The only thing you've got to do, or will have to do, is subscribe or be subscribed. Click the bell icon. and share the video. That's all I ask. And you send me your email. My email is in the About section of my homepage, video homepage, and it's in there. So you send me your name, address, and I will send you 4 of these. But this is in the future. This is not now. This is in the future. Probably as I'm not charging, I think it'd be around about Christmas, so I'm giving you a Christmas present, okay? Well, that's something to look forward to. Because as you can see, I got plenty. I'll leave them in the panel like that, because then they'll be easier to post. I can get a jiffy bag and do that, whereas 4 separate ones, say they'll move about and you don't know what problems they'll cause. So that's that. I'm only doing this really to stretch the video a little bit longer. What else have I got? So, yes. Now, if any of you, oops, easy. Right, oops. No, that's the double one. That's the single one. Is that a double one? That's not a double one. It's a single. Right. Yeah. Now, excuse me. When I did these PCBs, I also did a solar controller PCB, and I got quite a lot. Oh, by the way, I get all my PCBs from JLC PCB. They're not sponsoring this. This is all my own work, as it were. So getting more of these, if people show an interest, then it'll be a good thing. And each one just snaps off, he says. I'll do it that way, Raymond. That's it. And they just snap off individually. You've got the IC, the choke, and then all the connections down the bottom. LED, solar panel, and battery. Okay? And you can run these off, I found recently. Still experimental, I've only done this in the last few days. The vape batteries. Now I'm going to stink like heaven. These, the vape batteries, run these fine. And only with the normal solar, single solar cell that is used on the normal garden lights that you buy in the shops. Excuse me. I've got loads of them, so I can do loads of them. If you pick the vapes off the street, make sure you've got gloves on of some kind. So keep a glove in your pocket, just a normal glove, and have a plastic bag with you as well. So if you see a vape, you can pick it up, put it in a plastic bag. None of these smell the liquid rather, if it spills out, will go in your pocket or however you're carrying it. And also you get a cell that is working. And sometimes you'll find the rechargeable cells. Those I put aside to make power bricks with. I haven't got round to it yet. But yeah, that's here you go. There you have a solar light with either colour changing or straight, whatever colour LED you want to use. Single colour, that's the word. In fact, what I'll do, on the Christmas thing, you'll get a disc. You'll get 4 discs. Just can't really do this properly. I know you've been out of touch. You'll have 4 of those and 4 of those. Okay? And somewhere, that's why I'm leaving it till Christmas, somewhere I've got the IC for the solar light PCB. Okay? But before then, I should be doing a video on, excuse me, how to wire them up, how to what components to use, blah blah blah. So you'll have a video to refer back to. Okay. What do we got here? Oh, that's from JLC PCB. Just tell me what's in the box. Right. So there you are, my friends. Oh, one thing. As I always do. Hint, hint. There you go. Thank you very much for watching this crazy unbagging, unboxing, whatever else it may be. I hope you guys keep well, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.